Find the amplitude and period of this function. Recall, when we have a function y equals a sine omega x or y equals a cosine omega x, the amplitude is given by absolute value of a and period is given by 2 pi over this positive number omega, and this is like cosine. So for this function, amplitude is absolute value of -4, that's just 4, and period is 2 pi over omega, which is the coefficient of x, 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2. Okay, this is a complex fraction, and now we need to simplify. This is 2 pi times, flip this fraction, 2 over 3 pi. Now we have cancellation, so the final answer is 2 times 2, 4 over 3. That's the period. Now let's move to the next question. So we need to write a sine function. That means y equals some number sine some number x that has the given characteristics. So amplitude is given 3 and period t is given 2. Okay, so based on amplitude, so the function is y equals 3 sine omega x or y equals -3 sine omega x, because absolute value of 3 and -3 is just 3. So we have two answers. We have yet to determine omega, and we know that period is given by this formula. From this we will be able to find the value of omega. Okay, on the side, period t is 2 pi over omega. That is, in our case, 2 equals 2 pi over omega, and we are trying to isolate omega, cross multiply, or this is 2 omega, so omega goes there, 2 pi over 2. 2 and 2 cancel, so omega is just pi. So that is y equals 3 sine pi x or y equals -3 sine pi x. So there are two answers final.